everyone! Happy New Year! Happy New Hair! That's what I'm gonna do. So let's get ready with me to hair makeover. From haircut, hair color, and hairstyling for sure. If you notice my hair part always at the side, and then now this time I'm gonna make it middle part. Also, I will try a curtain bangs. Yoo-hoo! So challenging. And for coloring, I always touch up my roots with hair color and also give it a little highlights as my routine. Every couple of months I'm doing that, so let's do it. First, I'm going to show you how I cut my curtain bangs. First is always from in the middle of your eyebrows here. So triangle like this, guys. But now have to remember, because my hair is curly, so when they get dry naturally, they will kinda higher the result. So I will cut like lower than my chin. Use the regular scissors. And after this, make them two parts again. And then now kind of layering. So put your finger like this. This is gonna be the basic of your cutting, and then you will cut the rest here. And the other side. Alright, now the bang is done. I will cut the rest of my hair. I'll make it faster, guys, but I will put the link of the video how I cut my layer hair down below. If you have thinning scissor like this, guys, will be great. ready for coloring, and I will put a little highlight at the front. Thank you so much for being with me till the end, guys. Happy New Year, Happy New Hair. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you. See you soon.